I am Captain Puneet Kumar. I am the pilot for this Diamond 40 NG aircraft. This is being manufactured by the Diamond, and the model number is DA40 NG. The NG stands for New Generation. This aircraft is a four-seater aircraft. This is basically being used for training and personal use as well. And this is all fiber thing. I have no hardly metal used except then for the engine. And this aircraft is owned by Pioneer Flying Academy. Now this aircraft will be manufactured in India by Shakti Aviation Group, Shakti Aviation Industries. They will be manufacturing this airplane in India, and because of which the training cost involved for the trainees would be will drastically going down. Will be going down because as of now, no aircraft is being manufactured in India, because of which the training cost is extremely high. And the availability of the aircraft will also increase in India, and the servicing and facilities would be available at a normal and marginal rate. Okay, now I will show you the airplane from inside. Okay, this is and before we start that, let me just give you a basic idea. Two seats in the front, two in the back. Now, after this aircraft will be manufactured in India, and supposing if we lose this of the wing, where the wing is attached to the fuselage, then we will have to define whether it is a low wing airplane or a high wing airplane. The country so now this is attached to the bottom now of if this would be manufactured in India. Now then this buttons and all and everything can be sourced from the local supplier or the local manufacturer, that is Shakti Aviation in the front, two in the back. Now normally this is the control stick. So fiddling and everything keeps on taking place because of which going down. Small things get uprooted. The aircraft starts going replace up. Those small things, it becomes a move it towards the left, and because of which the left wing goes down, manufacturing of this aircraft would be done by Shakti Aviation Industries in India, and now all these aircraft parts and everything will be glass cockpit available like economically. These and the old would be kind of available without any delay. As of now, if we have to have any parts, these are kept in standby. Either we maintain a stock of those parts, and this or all these are order the glass cockpit. Wait for couple and all the information from all these 10-20 days before we get the shot up here moved from and country. Same is being replicated so these here. Are all the issues that come into and place. This and is the after the sourcing will become local, and this is got our country. This will be other airplanes made in India. First older version airplanes have aircraft to be made in 3-4 levers to change the speed and the direction and all. But here we have only one lever. It is fully computerized. We just give the input, and the computer in the aircraft decides what would be the output required, and it does accordingly. And below you are seeing the rudder paddles. These rudder paddles can be these seats are fixed, but the rudder paddles are adjustable. So if you move this lever like this, the paddles come forward, and we can release, and the like this we release, and this comes out, and the pilot is able to adjust the position of the rudder paddles as per his or her height. And this shows the number of hours this aircraft has flown. Okay, and this is the emergency locator transmitter, ELT. This is the radio compass. This is the altimeter. This is the artificial horizon. This is the airspeed indicator. And rest are other switches. Now, after this aircraft will be manufactured in India, supposing if we lose this button or something, then we will have to go get we'll have to get this from the country of its making. Now, if this would be manufactured in India, now then this buttons and all and everything can be sourced from the local supplier or the local manufacturer, that is Shakti Aviation Industries. Now, normally this is a training aircraft, so fiddling and everything keeps on taking place, because of which small things get uprooted, and to replace those small things it becomes a issue, and because of which this manufacturing of this aircraft would be done by Shakti Aviation Industries in India. All these aircraft parts and everything would be available economically and would be available without any delay. As of now, if we have to have any part, either we maintain a stock of those parts or we'll have to order and wait for couple of say around 10-20 days before we get that part moved from that particular country. So these are all the issues that come into place, and after this sourcing will become locally in our country, this will be made in India first thing. This will be the first train aircraft to be made in India.
You are watching Aviation Today.